In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wealthfront cash account, beginner's tutorial. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Wealthfront. Click the official site and double check the URL so you know you're on the genuine page. A secure connection and a private network are always good practice when you're entering personal details. On the home page, scroll until you see the option to start saving with as little as $1, then select it. This takes you into the cash account setup. You'll first be asked who the cash account is for. Choose the option that fits your situation, personal, joint, or another available category. This choice determines how the account is titled, so pick the one you intend to use. Next, enter your first and last name. Use your legal name exactly as it appears on your identification to avoid verification issues later. Continue to the next screen, where you'll provide an email address and create a password. Use a strong, unique password, ideally stored in a reputable password manager. When you're ready, continue. You'll then be prompted for a mobile number. Enter a number you can access right away, since you may receive a verification code for security. Tap Next and complete any code verification if it appears. From here, follow the on-screen sign-up flow. You'll provide standard details like your address, date of birth, and tax information. This is routine for financial institutions and helps satisfy regulatory requirements. If the platform asks for eligibility confirmation, review the criteria and acknowledge it to proceed. Many cash accounts require that you are of legal age and reside in an eligible location. Complete identity verification when prompted. You may be asked for a government-issued ID and other identifying information. Make sure everything matches the name and address you entered. Clear, well-lit photos and accurate details help prevent delays. When your profile is approved, link a bank account. You can usually connect instantly by signing into your bank through a secure provider or link manually with your routing and account numbers. Some banks may require small test deposits to verify ownership. Now fund the cash account. There's a minimum of $1 to activate it. Choose ACH transfer or another supported method. Enter the amount and confirm. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. Finally, review all details and confirm to finish. You should see a confirmation on screen and receive an email. From your dashboard, you can monitor your balance, and later you can set up direct deposit or recurring transfers if you'd like. That's it! You've opened and funded your Wealthfront cash account.